Chickpeas are small but mighty, full of good things. Protein helps us stay strong. Fiber is good for our digestion. Chickpeas are also tasty. They can be enjoyed in many ways. One delicious way is hummus. Hummus is a Middle Eastern dip. It is made from chickpeas, tahini, lemon and garlic. Hummus is very popular. It is enjoyed all over the world. Hummus is very versatile. Enjoy it as a dip with vegetables. Spread it on sandwiches for extra flavor. It can even be a tasty sauce for grilled meats. Let's learn how to make hummus. It is easy and fun. Making hummus at home is simple. Gather your ingredients. You will need cooked chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice, garlic, salt and water. A food processor makes it easy. First, drain and rinse the chickpeas. Add them to the food processor. Next, add tahini, lemon juice and garlic. Season with salt. Blend until smooth. Slowly add water while blending. This creates a creamy texture. Taste and adjust seasonings. You may want more lemon or salt. Once you are happy with the taste, it's ready. Scoop the hummus into a bowl. Drizzle with olive oil and a sprinkle of paprika. Classic hummus is delicious, but don't be afraid to experiment. Try adding different flavors. For a spicy kick, add some chili powder or chopped jalapenos. Roasted garlic hummus is rich and savory. Roast whole garlic heads until soft. Then, add them to your hummus for a deeper flavor. Beetroot hummus is vibrant and sweet. Roast beets until tender. Then, blend them into your hummus for a beautiful pink hue. The possibilities are endless. Get creative and have fun with your hummus. The texture of hummus is important. Aim for smooth and creamy. Here are some tips. Use high-quality tahini. It should be smooth and not bitter. Remove the skins from the chickpeas. This will make your hummus extra smooth. Don't be afraid to add more water. A little at a time, blend until you reach your desired consistency. Overblending can make hummus gummy. Pulse until just combined. Serve hummus immediately. Or store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator. Enjoy your delicious homemade hummus.